Hello, my friends. Welcome to the channel. I am Nicole and I live here in India. And today I'm with my mostly, only, sometimes best friend.
Sometimes best friend.
Mostly, sometimes best friend, Laurence. And she's here today to help me celebrate Republic Day. Were you up in the morning at flag hoisting?
Yes, I was.
Yes.
In the morning.
So was I. I was up. I was at flag hosting, had breakfast. It was a great community event. It was fabulous. So we are celebrating here 76th Republic Day. I hope you are too. Hope you're having a great day. We're going to take a look at a video that celebrates the cultural, amazing, India. Incredible India. So the name of the video is India Marks 76th Republic Day with Cultural Spectacle. Spectacle? Spectacle.
Yes.
I can read, people, sometimes. Mostly sometimes. All right. If you haven't already, give me your like, give me your subscribe, and let's go.
And gliding gracefully on Kartavya Path is the tableau of Goa themed Swarnim Bharat Virasat aur Vikas. Celebrates the state's pristine beaches, lush landscapes, and rich culture.
That's nice. Fun.
And here comes the tableau of Uttarakhand, themed cultural heritage and adventure sports, showcasing the state's rich culture, natural beauty, and adventure tourism.
Have you been to Uttarakhand? Look at that float, like beautiful. They really go all out.
हरियाणा की समृद्ध सांस्कृतिक विरासत, इतिहास और आधुनिक प्रगति की झलक लेकर ये झांकी कर्तव्य पथ पर कुरुक्षेत्र में भगवान कृष्ण ने अर्जुन को कर्मयोग का उपदेश दिया था।
उज्जवल इसका वर्तमान और गौरवमय इतिहास पुराना, देश की खातिर अनूप जाते किसानों की कर्म धरा, नारी का सम्मान और पूजन हरियाणा की परंपरा, खेलों में भी अव्वल आते, ओलंपिक में सबसे ज्यादा पदक जीत कर हम ही लाते।
That's fabulous. And again, another beautiful float. I love that. They really go all out.
हरियाणा के बाद स्वर्णिम
झारखंड
धरोहर और प्रगति की एक परंपरा के विषय के साथ ये झांकी शिक्षा के प्रचार प्रसार से बदलती तस्वीर है झारखंड की।
I'll edit that out.
Going past the saluting base, the tableau from the Ministry of Women and Child Development, maternal care, life cycle continuity, and women's leadership, portraying a girl's journey from early childhood to becoming a self-reliant woman.
I love that. That's fabulous.
पढ़ाती लिखाती बीमारी से बचाती कुपोषण को बाहर का रास्ता दिखाती अंबर से ऊंची उड़ान लगाती जग में तिरंगा तू है फहराती हो देश को तुझ पे गुमान है अमृत पीढ़ी की शान है सरहद है तुझसे सुरक्षित विकसित भारत की पहचान है
That's nice.
We now await the arrival, and here it is, going past the saluting base, the
Gujarat.
tableau from Gujarat. The theme, Anarpur to Ekta Nagar,
The Statue of Unity is there.
Vikas P, depicting how Gujarat has touched the horizon of development while preserving its heritage. The state's cultural and development journey.
કીર્તિ તોરણ નવા સમયનો કરે સદાય સ્વાગત છે નવા જમાને નવી ચાલને એરક્રાફ્ટનું ઉત્પાદન સેમે કંડક્ટરને પગલે નવી દિશા સર્જાય ઓટો હબને અટલ બ્રિજને જોઈ સબ હરખાય એ કદર સમંદર જલમાં સૂતી દ્વારિકાની થાય.
And now approaching the saluting dais is the tableau from Andhra Pradesh, depicting
Yippee!
Echikavakka wooden toys, an eternal heritage of Andhra Pradesh. A 400-year-old craft tradition celebrated for its eco-friendly, smooth, vibrant and toxin-free toys.
That is a cute float. What a nice idea.
విద్యను నేర్పే బొమ్మలు
వినోదాల బొమ్మలు
I like that it has kids on it too. Yeah.
అరే హస్తకళల హంగులు
ఓ సహజ ప్రకృతి రంగులు.
And now the tableau from Punjab, showcasing its exquisite inlay design art and rich handicrafts. The depiction of Sufi saint Baba Sheikh Farid Ji composing hymns including the Guru Granth Sahib. Intricate portrayal of inlay designs beginning with a beautifully adorned pair of bullocks symbolizing the state's agrarian heritage.
सवारे में मिले आप सवारे में मिले मैं मिले सुख होए फरीदा जे तुम्हें.
I like the color scheme on that. I like the green and the trees. It's nice.
कर्तव्य पथ पर भारत की समृद्ध सांस्कृतिक विरासत का प्रदर्शन, नवीन भारत का उदय, स्वदेशी स्वच्छ ऊर्जा परिवर्तन से वैश्विक भविष्य को ऊर्जावान बनाना, ये विषय है नवीन और नवीकरणीय ऊर्जा मंत्रालय की इस झांकी का।
The tableau now from Uttar Pradesh, Mahakumbh 2025. Religion, belief, sanctity, tradition, all showcased in this.
That's really pretty.
Past the saluting base.
सर्व सिद्धि प्रदः कुंभः सर्व सिद्धि प्रदः कुंभः स्वर्ग लोक की आभा उतरी तीर्थराज के आंगन में झूम रहे हैं साधु संत जन पुलक भरा है तन मन में भव्य दिव्यो महाकुंभः सर्व सिद्धि प्रदायकः.
This is the tableau from Bihar going past the saluting base. Swarnim Bharat, Virasat or Vikas. a land of meditation, a land of piety.
शून्यता शून्यतैव रूपं रूपान्न पृथग् शून्यता शून्यतायान पृथग् रूपं यद्रूपं स शून्यता.
I didn't know that Bihar had Buddhist monks.
We have a village in south of France, which is called Bihar.
Really?
Yeah.
अध्यात्म से अर्थ की ओर बैंकिंग सेवाओं के विकास और विस्तार को दर्शाती वित्त मंत्रालय के वित्तीय सेवा विभाग की झांकी, घूमता हुआ सुनहरा सिक्का, बेहतर अर्थव्यवस्था का प्रतीक.
Like a meditative.
बैंकिंग सेवा हर गली पहुंची
Yeah, UPI. I like that they represent that here because it is such a big thing now in India. UPI and having this, digital payment system, it is something for India to really be proud of, and I like that it's here.
सिक्के की खनक सुनाए
आधुनिक मुद्रा से देश जगमगाए भारत बढ़े.
Our cousins are there.
और अब कर्तव्य पथ पर
Wow!
मध्य प्रदेश की झांकी.
Look at
मध्य
that.
प्रदेश में
Yes, that's
70 साल
fabulous.
बाद लौटे हैं चीते. कूनो नदी के किनारे राष्ट्रीय अभयारण्य में इन चीतों का नया घर है. 24 चीते अब यहाँ पर हैं.
That's really nice. I like that.
And the next tableau commemorates 150 years of Mausam Bhavan under the Ministry of Earth Sciences, showcasing its transformative contributions to meteorology and society.
चक्रवात चेतावनिया मौसम का पूर्वानुमान
पूरब पश्चिम उत्तर दक्षिण पृथ्वी हो या आसमान.
कृषि सिंचाई नौका वहन को हमने सरल बनाया है.
जीवन रक्षा और सुरक्षा का अभियान चलाया है. भारत मौसम विभाग.
It's really an innovative way to put that together. Like, how do you do meteorology and earth science? And I really like the way that they put that together. Really innovative.
And the enchanting tableau of the Department of Animal Husbandry and Dairying, Virasat aur Vikas of Swarnim Bharat, gliding on Kartavya Path, is dedicated to the indigenous cows of India.
तू ही मंगला घर घर की है जान बारंबार तुझे प्रणाम तुझे प्रणाम तुझे प्रणाम गौ मैया तुझे प्रणाम तुझे प्रणाम दूध.
So did you see that stick?
Yeah.
And that's how they churn butter, right?
Yeah.
So we actually have my husband's grandmother's stick in our kitchen.
Yeah.
That's one of the things he took from the village is he really loved watching her make butter.
दही घी और माखन अमृत काल में अमृत घर आंगन हर योग में संयोग में माँ तू ही आती काम नंदनी श्यामा तुझे प्रणाम तुझे प्रणाम.
They didn't have to walk, just balance,
Now,
hands on a
approaching
bike.
the saluting base is the tableau from the state of Tripura, depicting eternal tribute worship of 14 deities in Tripura, and sheds light on the Kharchi Puja, also depicting their traditional bamboo-based art and modern technology.
It looks like it's made out of straw, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Or like bamboo of some sort. That's beautiful. That's really pretty.
Karnataka now presents Lakundi, the heart of stone craft, highlighting the
Karnataka!
insolently carved Lakshmi Narayan temple, the Kashi Vishveshwara temple dedicated to Lord Shiva, and the ornate pillars of the Naneshwara temple.
Oh, it's pretty. Lovely. I love the fact that they included tourists. Like, that's great. Have you ever seen this running and banging thing? And that's generally, from what I've seen, it's like a game where they use with a tire. I haven't seen this, but this is gorgeous. I love the way that they put this together.
कर्तव्य पथ पर अब बारी है दादरा और नगर हवेली तथा दमन और दीव की झांकी की, जिसमें वन्य जीवन और मछली पकड़ने की संस्कृति के साथ साथ राज्य के विभिन्न क्षेत्रों में हुए प्रगति को परिलक्षित किया गया है। सलामी मंच के सामने अब पहुंच रही है दिल्ली की झांकी, कला और संस्कृति विभाग से संबंधित, जिसमें क्वालिटी एजुकेशन को दर्शाया गया है। उच्च शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में विकास और डिजिटाइजेशन के लाभ इसमें परिलक्षित।
ये है मेरी दिल्ली, ये है तेरी दिल्ली, ये हमारी दिल्ली, ये हमारी दिल्ली। उच्च शिक्षा के अवसर है, AI विज्ञान है, रोबोटिक्स तकनीक से अब हम छूते आसमान है। कला संस्कृति शिक्षा और इतिहास की जान, दिल्ली है भारत की शान, दिल्ली है भारत की शान।
From a snapshot of Delhi, we now wait for a snapshot of West Bengal. Swarnim Bharat, Virasat aur Vikas, the theme, the state's rich cultural heritage, architectural excellence and artistic traditions are showcased, featuring terracotta temples of Bishnupur and traditional folk art forms like chow dance and baul songs.
That's also really pretty. Ooh. Oh.
For an appreciative audience eagerly awaiting the next tableau, we have going past the saluting base, gliding slowly. The tableau from Chandigarh. The Union Territory of Chandigarh presents a tableau celebrating the blend of tradition and modernity under the theme, "The City is Beautiful."
खूबसूरत शहर चंडीगढ़ के बाद विरासत भी और विकास भी के मंत्र से प्रेरित संस्कृति मंत्रालय की झांकी के पहले हिस्से में यार्ड वाद्य यंत्र को देखा जा सकता है। ये एक प्राचीन तमिल स्ट्रिंग इंस्ट्रूमेंट है, हमारी संगीत विरासत को दर्शाता हुआ। यहाँ कल्प वृक्ष के भी दर्शन कीजिए, जो इच्छा पूर्ति का सूचक है, जो बाद में सोने की चिड़िया में बदल जाता है।
There's a lot going on in this one,
Yeah.
but culturally, there's a lot going on in India, so I can understand why it's busy.
So much, yeah.
Yeah.
और अब समारोह का एक और आकर्षण, सजी धजी केंद्रीय लोक निर्माण विभाग CPWD की झांकी। संविधान के 75वीं सालगिरह को भव्यता के साथ यहां देखा जा सकता है। अशोक चक्र के साथ समय का पहिया है, जो गतिशीलता का सूचक है।
I think none of us need have any apprehension. Our difficulty is how to make the heterogeneous mass that we have today take a decision and march in a cooperative way on that road which is bound to lead us to unity.
I like the way they did that. Like it's an old speech. I love that. What did you think?
I loved it.
It was
Very
really,
nice,
really
yeah.
pretty. You know, there is so much to India, and I love that they celebrate it every year in such a big and glorious way.
Mhm.
You know, I'm trying to say spectacle. Yeah, I said it. I said it correctly. I feel like that's a word that's really hard for me, and I don't know why. Spectacle.
And it was spectacular.
And it was spectacular. It was fabulous. I really, really, really enjoyed it. It would be really fun to actually see something like this in person, but I also think it would be a real mess to get out of there after
Yeah.
they're done.
Probably.
This would be like an all-day thing. Like you go in the morning and then you're not home until
No, plus I think Delhi is super cold right now.
Delhi is freezing right now. Yeah. So I think it would be a long, fairly cold day, but I think it would be worth it. I think someday we should try to get up there and
Yeah, I
And
think
see
depends
it.
where you are in the,
In
you
the
need-
parade?
Yeah, you need to be in front.
plan it well.
You
Yeah.
need to be invited. So
You
you're
need to be
in front.
invited. I need to be invited. Somebody please invite me to the parade and give me a nice spot on the dais. I can wave at people. Hello.
I'll wait from the TV.
You wave from the TV. All right, people. So that's our reaction. As always, India, they do it right. It's incredible, incredible India, and a lot of innovative floats, a lot of beautiful tableaus, as they called them, much more so than I really have seen in other countries. They really have done an amazing job, and each state does just beautifully. They represent themselves in such an amazing way. So it was really lovely to see. If you like the content, please give a like, please give a subscribe. If you want to see something else, put it in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. If as always, I love you and bye-bye.
Bye.